Hi, hello everyone. I'm Abishek. I'm pursuing first year biomedical engineering in SNS College of Technology at Coimbatore. What is design thinking and why it is important? Design thinking is an approach used for practical and creative program solving. It is basically heavy on the methods and process that design used but it is actually evolved from the range of different fields including architect, engineering and business. Design thinking can also be applied to any field. It does not necessarily have to be design specific. Design thinking is a particular methodology that inspires a human-centered approach to design. It is used by many design teams at some of the world's most specific tech companies. The design thinking process is broken up into five specific design thinking stages that are empathy, definition, ideation, prototyping, and testing. Yes, first phase, empathize. Empathize provide the critical starting point for design thinking. The first stage of the process is spent getting to know the users and understand the wants, needs and objectives. Yes, second phase. Second phase is define. The second stage of the design thinking process is dedicated to defining the problem. By the end of the define phase, we will give the clear problem statement. The key here is to frame the problem in user-centered way rather the saying we need to frame it and in terms of the users. A third phase, ideate. With a solid understanding of your users and clear problem statement in mind, it's time to start working a potential solution. The third phase in a design thinking process is where the creativity happens and gradual point out that ideation stage is a judgment free zone. Yes, fourth phase, a prototype. The fourth step is a prototype in the design thinking process is all about experimentation and turning ideas into tangible products. A prototype is a basically scaled down version of the product which encapsulates the potential solution identified in the previous stages. This key is putting each solution to test and highlighting the constructs and flows. Fifth phase. Fifth phase is that testing. After prototyping comes users testing. But it is important to note that this is rarely the end of the design thinking process. It is a reality. The results of testing phase will often lead you back to previous step, providing the insights you need to redefine the original problem statement or to come up the new ideas you have not thought of before. Learned all about user testing in this guide. Yes, conclusion of design thinking. Design thinking not only helps to come up with innovative solution but also helps to address the exact problem faced by the customer and target the customer's requirement in best possible manner. Yes, thank you. That's all.